right, guys, you guys watched my last video. We're now into the next video on uninstalling the coin holder for the B8.5 S4. And what you're going to do is you're going to basically get 2 credit cards, because it's the easiest thing to do, and then you're going to slide it in between the both outer ports of that coin holder, just like he's doing here right now. And you're going to fill these tabs. Once you hit these tabs and click in, you can pull it out. I do recommend you probably carry one of these. Worthwhile to have. Yep, there you go. There we go.
I'm gonna show them where the clips are.
Where the clips are. Oh yeah, these little tabs right here. Let me take you guys down from up here. Well, if you look closely, those are the tabs. Those are the tabs that you're pressing for to get this piece out. Right here. Once you press them in, that's why you take that little tool over there to kind of slide it out. A little prior. And then definitely recommend credit cards do work. Old credit cards or like a gift card, like you said in the video, if you ever watched James's video about this, they do work. And once you do that, that's how you get it out. So that's the uninstall for the coin holder. Like, subscribe, make sure you subscribe to BcEuros over here. This is the guy who's been helping me out put this together. Any of your Euro needs, he'll take care of.